In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Microsoft OneNote locally. If you've noticed that OneNote often keeps your notebooks in the cloud, you're not imagining it. Most modern versions, including OneNote for Windows 10 or 11, OneNote for Mac, mobile, and the web, default to OneDrive and don't offer a native Save to Local Disk option. The cloud is the main storage method now. That said, you still have a couple of reliable ways to get a local copy, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose what fits your setup. First, let's cover downloading a local copy from OneDrive. This is ideal when your notebook already lives in the cloud and you simply need a complete offline version. Open OneDrive in your browser and sign in. Navigate to your OneNote notebook folder, which is usually inside Documents, then OneNote Notebooks. Right-click the notebook folder and choose Download. This gives you the entire notebook as a folder containing one-section files on your computer. When the download finishes, locate that folder in File Explorer and double-click any .one file inside. OneNote will open it and create a local version you can work in without internet. Keep in mind, this doesn't convert the original online notebook. It's a separate copy. If you edit the local one, those changes won't automatically sync back to OneDrive. Think of it as an offline snapshot you control. Now, if you prefer to start fresh with a notebook that lives on your hard drive from day one, you can create one locally using the classic desktop version of OneNote, such as OneNote 2016 or the OneNote app that comes with the full Office suite. Open the desktop OneNote, go to File, then New, and choose this PC or another local location instead of a cloud folder. Pick a folder on your computer, for example, a OneNote Notebooks folder in Documents, give your notebook a clear name, and click Create. This notebook is saved directly to your computer, not OneDrive, so it stays local unless you later decide to move or share it. This approach is great if you want full control over storage or you're working in a secure environment without cloud access. A quick reminder before we wrap up. The cloud-based versions, like OneNote for Windows 10 or 11 and OneNote for Mac, don't offer a native local save option for new notebooks. If local storage is essential, use the desktop OneNote to create it, or download a copy from OneDrive as I showed. Either way, you'll have a dependable local version you can open and use anytime.